Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate or delete your Viber permanently. So if you want to close off your Viber permanently since you don't want to use it anymore or whatever the reason is, you can easily do this just by tapping open Viber right here. Log in your Viber first and from the main home page, go to more. Now from your profile page, tap to the settings right here. Go to the account button. Under the settings, you should see a button that says deactivate account. Remember that deactivating your Viber account permanently deactivates Viber on all of your devices including desktop and tablets. It deletes all your data from the Viber server, that is on your profile details and contact lists, calls and chats history. It will also remove you from the groups, communities and channels that you're connected to. So simply just tap on the deactivate account on the bottom, and we could see on the red line font, we could see in the bottom, we could see there's a deactivate account. So I'm just simply going to tap it here as well. To deactivate the process, we are required with our phone number. I'm just going to type my current phone number that is on the Viber, and for that we have to deactivate account as well. So I'm just simply going to tap it here and tap to deactivate. So alright guys, we just deactivated the Viber account. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you, and also don't forget to like, subscribe and also comment down below if you have any queries about it.